Now today I'm going to show you the anatomy of a perfect trade. So let's get into it, folks. There's no time to waste. What an epic trading day it was. First things first, welcome to today's trading recap. Happy Monday. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. And boy, did we have a roller coaster session today. Matter of fact, guys, let me show you the overnight session from today. All right, by the way, today is Monday, July 22nd. Take a look at this, right? Look at this. Look at this huge rip on the NASDAQ for like 900 ticks before you even got to your computer. I hope some of you guys and gals who were up early this morning and used our volume indicator to nail these textbook retracements right here. Okay, but anyway, as for me, whenever I come into the market and I see a massive gap up like we saw today, all right, my inclination and my bias is to fade it. You understand? In other words, I'm only looking for shorts, especially when the market has already ripped like 900 ticks and the market hasn't even opened yet, right? So what you're seeing on the screen right now, guys, is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ from this morning's session using our volume indicator color band. If I've said it once, then I've said it 1,000 times. In my humble opinion, this trading system is the only thing that you need to get the direction right each and every day, man, okay? Because the thing just works. All right, now case in point, I want to get you guys dialed into two of the live trades that I took today. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all the entry markers, the take profit markers, and of course, the profit targets. So let's take a look at the entries. Can you guys see these two, right? This is the first trade right here. I went short at 990, and looking back on this, I wish I hadn't taken this trade because looking at this retracement candle, it probably wasn't deep enough the way that I normally liked, but I was so much chomping at the bit to go short, okay? I kind of bypassed my own rules a little bit, and trade number one here ended up being a quick loser, which is fine, right? That's part of the game, guys. You got to be able to handle small losers repeatedly because, as you can see here, man, on trade number two, and by the way, look at the depth of this retracement. Can you see how strong this retracement candle is? Like, look how far it is above the vol color band. I mean, this is absolutely a perfect retracement. So like I was saying, got to be able to take those small losers because in a situation like this, and as you can see here on trade number two, I went short at just above the nice round even number of 20,000. All right, that was a perfect location in my opinion to go short. Take a look and see how this trade played out, right? I mean, we went short all the way up here and this market just got creamed for 500 ticks. It's astronomical, guys. The profit-making opportunity that exists in today's day trading environment is absurd. I mean, we're basically printing cash almost every day. All right. Anyway, let me show you where I took profits first. You guys can see this here, right? When you use NinjaTrader, all your executions and fills are logged live on the chart. That's why I love the NinjaTrader platform. You guys can see here STP number one, that stands for short take profit number one. I dumped half this hog at about 2-to-1 risk reward. I'm finding that to be the sweet spot with respect to trading the NQ. And of course, guys and gals, you guys can see where I dumped this hog for the second half. STP number two, that stands for short take profits number two. Guys, I was able to bag over 400 ticks on this shocking trade in just over 7 minutes. Okay, so a couple of takeaways, guys. Number one, don't get discouraged when you get stopped out for a small loser, right? I mean, the people that get upset or get angry whenever they get stopped out, those people should not be trading. Those are the retail traders, the amateur traders. You understand? Because real traders understand the power of looking for high probability setups just like this. And we finally have a system, like a winning system, that'll help us squeeze every single tick that we can out of a beautiful trend. All right. So look, man, whether you played it long, early morning today, right over here, then congratulations. The vol got you done. And for everybody else who messaged me today with your screenshots, your feedback, your comments, for all you guys that caught this short, early morning today, the vol indicator got you done. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.